Bonsoir and welcome to Joella TV, the place to be if you want to become fully bilingual and if you want to have the time of your life in Paris. My name is Llyane Stanfield and today I am officially opening the contest, the winter contest, le concours d'hiver, which is going to be a little different than what we used to have before. This will be the 11th contest that I ran, and I'm so excited because people have a lot of fun. And until now, we had the contest in a way with using data, information, trivia more than anything else about different events in Paris. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this contest a little longer, and we will also include trivia questions, but I'm going to run a few mini webinars, and mini webinars mean really very short, and so I typically tend to answer a lot of questions during this my webinars, and so I'm going to try to make them really mini. But I would like you to give me ideas about what it is that you would be most interested to find out and to learn. So after each mini webinar, when I'm going to explain and share with you information, and I'm going to teach you French, we will have a question, and you will have to apply what you learned in my mini webinar and answer the question on my website, and so that on the contests page, so that we can eventually find out who's the winner. This is going to be very exciting because you are going to, it's a little bit like a challenge too, in a way. I don't want to call it challenge just because it can be a little, I guess, stressful. I don't want that. But what I do want is that you learn something. So after all these mini webinars, you will end up learning a lot of French and answer the questions and hopefully win the contest. The grand prize is an 8-week program experience that you will win if you are the winner of the contest. $299, that's the value. And we have more prizes. Everybody who participates with at least one answer, I'm going to keep this tradition. Everybody will win something. And also, during this contest, I will offer a mini intensive, a 4-hour mini intensive. Anybody can take it, and it is discounted at 20% off, and it's available only during this contest. And you can reinforce what you already know or learn what you don't know. Typically, I like to address the top 3 challenges that you have, so that you end up going a step forward into the process of learning French, process that you're on. And of course, I don't know if of course it was, but I would like also to introduce my newest program, and this is a very exclusive program. It is accessible only to 8 people a year, and that I'm very excited about to share with you. And I'm going to give you details as we go into through the contest. The contest will take thinking 3 or 4 weeks because we are it's the holidays are coming, Thanksgiving in the States, and then Christmas. Everybody's very busy, and so I want to pace it so that everybody has a chance to participate and put their best foot forward and hopefully win the contest. Yep, that's all I have for you, and the link to access the contest is joëlette.com/contest, and it's in the description of this video. And the mini webinars are taking place in the Joëlette conversation group, and I'm going to put the link in the comments below. What else? I think that's about it. And you have to register, so only people who are registering to this contest are going to be qualifying to all these goodies. So thank you so much. I'm really excited about this, and you're going to hear a lot from me with live videos, and looking forward to hearing from you soon. Merci beaucoup. À la prochaine. Au revoir.